Here in Prime Focus, we have been offering post-production services to advertising community for many, many years. And we have had the pleasure of working on some fantastic award-winning projects. Appleton White for McCann, Ericsson, Nike, Mean Street for JWT, and much more recently the Indigo commercial for which we got the gold at the Goa Fest last. Our experience in heritage is important to us, but it is staying ahead of the curve. Prime Focus has always been about being the first, and we are not resting on our achievements and our capabilities and the past glories. That's why we are launching a brand new facility, Prime Focus Commercials.
The media industry is changing from day to day. The way we shoot, the way we move our information around, the finishing tools we have at our disposal, and the way we deliver to our broadcasters and cinemas. And now to the web and mobile. As a production company or an advertising agency, it is critical to stay on top of all this. This is where Prime Focus Commercials can help. We bring you efficiencies in workflows, data handling, multi-platform delivery, and all other technical aspects which will bring your film to air. We also have some of the best creatives in India and around the world, and it is all summed up by a phrase which we believe at Prime Focus Commercials is create.deliver.
I'm very fortunate to have worked in facilities around the world, in the United Kingdom and the United States, and now in India. With the recent investment in the infrastructure and talent at the Car facility, this facility is now as good as any I've worked in around the world. It's fully HD ready. We have 2 base lights, 12 smokes, 10 offlines, 50 VFX seats, and we have a specialised data department for ingest and delivery of data files. As well as the investment in the technical infrastructure, the investment in the talent is just as important. Through Prime Focus's global expansion, we've been able to go to the United Kingdom and the United States and harness the experience and knowledge and bring it back to Mumbai. Add to this the fact that we already have the best creative talent in India. We are now much better prepared to offer our clients a much more compelling offer and achieve great results for them.
The thing, I think something that Prime Focus has that is unique and that no other company has is because it's global, and it really is a global company. It's really about being able to transfer talent around and move talent around and shuffle talent around. But I think that is a huge resource is having talent from all over the world around. And I'm sure there are people who want to visit India, want to experience India, do things. So I think that's an incredible aspect of the company that I can't think of too many companies can boast of that.
Prime Focus is a bit like it's like coming home. It's very warm. People accommodate for you. They adjust. So it's nice. I mean, your job gets done. They make place for you at Prime Focus.
I have found that I have been treated actually quite specially at Prime Focus Car, and in a sort of sincere, genuine kind of manner. It seems that I am valued, and I think that is a lot to say, because it's very rare to find that kind of, oh, do you want this? Don't worry, we'll get it done. And it happens therefore in a manner in which it's smooth, and it happens in a manner in which I don't really have to get too stressed about it.
One of Prime Focus's main strengths, I think, were that they were willing and able to handle your problems and solve your problems. So you could pick up phones, speak to the top brass, things would be organized. If you were ever in a panic, it was never a kind of this is what we can do and this is what the schedule was, and our industry doesn't work that way. So any kind of problem, if it's money problem, if it's scheduling problems, Prime would take it upon themselves and handle it for you, which is really the best thing, Never asked of, we can't do this or this can't happen. Something would happen and something would always get worked out.
The commercial I just finished about a month, 2 months back. It was a very, very SOS job. Luckily for me and Aman, Mohsin came and he said, what's your budget? Aman said, this is the money. I said, I'll do it. She said, hang on, it's not only money. We have to finish in coming 8 days after the shoot. I said, I'll give you in 7 days. And he finished it. With my satisfaction, agency loved it. The commercial was aired on like 3 months continuously. Agency was happy, client was happy, I was happy. my production was happy.
So there was a clash one day. I had 6 clients together the same day, 6 projects, 2 sound recordings, 2 online, 1 offline, 1 graphics. And the only studio that could manage it was Prime Focus, because they had Prime Focus Plus, because they had 2 sound studios. And I was just jumping in between different rooms. None of the clients knew that actually I was doing the 6 projects together. And Johan is the one who managed it. So in fact, all day the studio was just booked for me.
We talk a lot about how we have transformed the business, and it is just about putting in place the latest kit or best people. It is also about how we can transform the way our clients work. Clear Campaign Manager is a great example of this. Clear Campaign Manager is our hosted campaign management tool, which allows you to manage your content and your workflow. You can even manage your campaign when you are out of the office. With a Clear CPM iPad application, this is a revolution.
With the new card facility, we really have all our bases covered. HD, data workflows, visual effects. Prime Focus is an international leader in 3D, and some of the movies which we have converted are Harry Potter and Star Wars, and the list can go on. 3D is going to transform the way brands interact with their audiences, and we are here to offer advertisers, production companies, and agencies the benefits of our market-leading knowledge, experience, and technology in this area.
As Prime Focus has progressed as a facility, we've diversified our offering from just being a post-production facility to a full-service facility. We offer camera equipment hire, to post-production, to digital delivery, and we can assist you at every point through the post-production process. When you come to Prime Focus, it's not just about coming to a post-production facility, because we can offer so much more than that.
Look, we know that the competition is fierce in facility sector. We know that our clients have a choice of where they can take their work. And we don't take their loyalty for granted. We have transformed our business to ensure that we offer our clients more and more creative input, more efficiency, and more options. Prime Focus Commercials is here to set a new standard. Our intention is to offer the best visual entertainment service experience and a whole lot of benefits, creativity and delivery. I really can't wait to see this happen at this point of time.